Okay. Question number 1. Quite a few of you got this one wrong. Hamza, join me in question number 1, please. Go.
Vicky lives on Sudbury Lane and takes the bus regularly. Below is the timetable of the bus route he uses. On a Monday, how long does the journey take from Sudbury Lane to Wembley Park?
Okay, right. So let's have a look. So let's get our highlighter ready. So it's from Sudbury Lane to Wembley Park. Sudbury Lane is this one. Wembley Park is that one. It's on a Monday. So we got to be in this one here. So 10 to 10:09. So you got 10 o'clock to 10:09. How many minutes is that?
9
And the one that answered in?
seconds.
So how do we change minutes into seconds?
9 times by 60.
And what's 9 times by 60?
540.
Okay, lovely. Stay with me on B. Go. Read B.
Mark the journey that takes the least time on a Thursday.
Okay, let's get rid of all this. So we're going to be in this column here because it's Monday to Friday. So they want us to consider, first of all, which ones? Preston Road to Preston Hill. Preston Road to Preston Hill is going to look at the difference between those two. And the next one is Wembley Park to Preston Road. Wembley Park to Preston Road. Okay, let's work out the differences. For the first, between the two green ones, how much time difference is there? From 10:31 to 10:44, how much time difference is there?
13.
Okay, right now, between the next one is Wembley Park to Preston Road. Between 10:09 and 10:31, how much time is there?
22.
Oh. So which journey takes the least amount of time?
Preston Road to Preston Hill.
Which is the first one. So the small time. Excellent. Next, read part C for me, please.
Mark the day on which travelling from Preston Road to Preston Hill is shorter.
Okay, so let's get rid of all of this. Preston Road to Preston Hill. Preston Road to Preston Hill. So we got between those two times and those two times. That's a Saturday time. That's a Monday to. That's a Thursday time. Okay. Right. So we got 10:31 to 10:44. From 31 to 44, how many minutes is there?
13.
And between 12:47 and 13:05 is how many minutes?
18.
And the one, which one is the shorter one? The shorter one is which? What day is it?
Thursday.
Thursday, which was this one here. Excellent. The last one?
If on a particular Saturday, roadworks increase the journey times by 20%, how long will it take Vicky to travel from Sudbury Lane to Wembley Park?
Which day is it traveling on? On a Saturday?
Yeah.
Sudbury to which park? Wembley Park.
Mm-hmm.
From 12:15 to 12:30. How much time? 12:15, 12:30. How much time is it?
15.
And what you got to add to that?
20%.
Of 15. So it's 15 minutes, add another 20% on. So how do we work out 20% of 15?
You work out 10% and then double it.
What's 10%?
1.5.
And what's that time by 2?
3.
So we've got 15 minutes. And we're going to add to 15 minutes how much?
3.
3 minutes. That gives us how many minutes?
18 minutes.
And the one that answered in?
Seconds.
So we have to do 18 times by?
60.
Which we do like this, put the 0 on. So 8 times by 6 is,
48.
and 1 times by 6 is 6, add 4 is
10.
10. The answer is
1080 seconds.
1080 seconds. Excellent. Okay, lovely. That's all the question one done. Thank you for that, Mr. Hamza. Question number 2. Let's see. Amina, join me on question number 2, please. Amina, question number 2, please.
Oh, sorry. In the sequence below, which terms are represented by the letters A, B, and C? What is the value of term B?
Okay. So we've got some numbers happening in this pattern first of all. So it might help us to fill in B. What was your answer for question 2A anyway? What was it?
My answer for 2A was 96.
Because what were you doing each time?
Because you were just timing by 2, or you could just add the same number.
Okay, and what about when you want to get to C?
You do 96 times by 2.
Which is?
And that would equal to, which is 192.
So you have to work out C first. And then he said, what is the sum? What's the word mean? Sum mean?
The sum, like you have to work out.
Okay, the word I'm looking for is add. The sum of terms B and C is B add C. So you got 96 add 192. So that's the calculation they want you to make. Okay. So can you work the calculation for me, please? 6 add 2 is 8.
Is it 108, 288?
288, because we've got to add up these numbers here, B and C. Next, okay, now we look at how many of the terms, including A, B, and C, are triangular numbers. Well, first of all, we need to fill in A. What's the value of A?
Is it 1.5?
Yeah, because opposite time by 2 is?
Divide by 2?
That's right, because these are all timesing by 2. So if you go backwards, you have to divide it by 2. Now that we know what all the numbers are, let's just quickly snip it from here. Copy. Paste. Right, now for question E, can you tell me what the triangular numbers are for question E? So the first triangular number is 1, and the next triangular number is?
3.
And the next one is?
6.
Okay. Okay.
No, wait. Is it 96? No.
And the next one is 10, then 15, then 21. So which one of those are triangular numbers? Got 3 there and a 6. Okay, so if you look through the triangular number set, will we have any of these other numbers in there? 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21. So add 2, add 3, add 4, add 5, add 6. The next one's going to be add 7. That'll give you 28. And then you add 8. That'll give you 36. So, and then you're going to add another 9. That'll give you 45. So we're not going to get these numbers coming in. So the numbers that come in are the 3 and the 6. So how many of them are triangular numbers? So the answer we must give is 2.
2.
Done. Thank you. Okay, now in order for us to do the bottom part of the questions D and E, I need to quickly backfill some answers in. So question 3A, I'm just going to quickly put in the answers. So just in case we need to refer to them. So question 3B, question 3C, and now we can start with question 3D. For this question, I want Umeza to join me, please. Umeza, join me question 3, please.
Using your answer from part C, how many boys said English was their favorite subject?
Okay. It says if 3/8 of the pupils said English was their favorite subject, girls. So we got 3/8 of favorite is English are the girls. Okay, here we go. And so how many girls does it represent? So if 3/8 was 15, how many eights are boys?
5/8.
Are the boys, yeah? So if 3 parts is 15, that means 1 part must be equal to what, Ameza?
5.
5 students, yeah? 5 pupils regardless of gender and essence. Now you got 5 of them. So 3/8 is girls. So 15 girls. 3 times by 5 is 15. And now we're going to do 5 times by 5. That'll give us
25.
25. So we'll have 25 boys. Okay, lovely. Read part E for me, please.
How many degrees does the segment for English represent?
So English is how much percent?
20%.
Okay, so how many degrees? So we've got to work out 20% of the pie chart. How many degrees in the pie chart?
360.
Okay, so how do you work out 20% of 360?
First, we work out 10%, which is 36. And then we do 36 times by 2, which is 72.
Fantastic. Lovely. Question 4 was all right. Question 5, you got a couple. For question number 5, let's have, for that one, Mr. Musa join us, question number 5.
Okay, so the Venn diagram below provides information about 40 children who own dogs, fish, or neither of the two. How many children own both dogs and fish?
Okay, we could do a little bit of backfilling in the answers. So that the first one will be both dogs and fish will be what?
Maybe
From the middle.
3.
How many children do not own either of the two pets is the one hanging outside, which is
15.
15. And C as a fraction of the total number of children, how many children own fish? So first of all, how many children are there altogether?
40.
So how many of them have a fish?
12.
Okay, now there's 12 that own a fish, and there's another 3 that own a fish and a dog. So they still own a fish. So you must add them up. So the answer is 15 over 14. Can you simplify that for me, please?
3/8.
So what do you divide them by?
You divide by 5.
Fantastic. Okay, question E, please. Musa, go.
If 20% of children who neither of the two pets decide to get a dog, how many children now own dogs?
So the 20% of what number?
15.
Because they don't have anything. So 20% of 15 is going to be 10% is what?
10% is 1.5.
And then 20% is times that by 2, which gives us
3.
so 3 people are now going to have a dog. Okay, they're going to get a dog now. So how many people had dogs before?
13.
13, because you got 10 and 3 people. So you got 10 people, add another 3 people. And how many are going to add to it now?
3.
3 that are joining them. So what's the total?
16.
Okay, all done. Fantastic.